What's going on, YouTube peeps and barbecue freaks? I actually saw a video from Sean over at Moonshine Roadhouse about chicken and dumplings this week, and I'll tell you what, that there looked damn good. So I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna give it a shot. First time at making chicken and dumplings. So let's see how this turns out. All right, you guys. Here's I got the chicken. It's about it's a young chicken. I think it's about 4 pounds. Got it boiling, some water, and just gonna hit it with some salt and pepper. Get that there, and some pepper. Get some regular table salt in there. I got here's 2 cloves of garlic minced up. So just gonna dump that in there. Half a large onion. There's that. And here's some celery. This was about 6 stems of celery. So, put that in. And let's see, I'll this up real quick, get that out the way. And then I have 3 ounces. This here is since I only have water in here, I'm not using chicken broth. I'm using some of this here for the chicken flavor, the galled up oil. That's there. And I got about 3 tablespoons. So get that in there. I'm gonna give it a quick little stir, cover it up, and let it go for, I don't know, we'll check back in about an hour, see what it looks like. So I'll pick back up in a bit. Alright, you guys, it's been about a little over an hour, probably about an hour and 20 minutes. And let's take a look at this. Some light in here. It smells great. I think this chicken is done. God. It smells amazing. Oh yeah, this chicken is done. I'm going to take this chicken out and get it deboned, get all the meat off of it, and then get to making the dumplings. And the dumplings, I'm actually going to use just some biscuit dough here, the Grand's homestyle biscuit. I know you can use Biscuit or you can use these here. So I'm going to give this a shot. I'm going to cut these up into smaller pieces, and let me get that done. Let me get the chicken deboned, and then we'll get the chicken back in. We'll get the dumplings in and finish it up. So that's what it looks like so far. It looks good. It smells great. Can't wait to taste this. So, yum. I'll be back. Alright, you guys, I got the chicken here all pulled apart. Make sure if you're using a whole chicken or chicken with bones, that you get all the bones out. So it's got chicken there, deboned it, took all the bones out, and I have the biscuits here. Some of them, half of them I've already chopped up. And all I've done is just take a whole biscuit, and I'm just cutting it in half, one way and then the other way, and that's it. Do the same with this one, right down the middle, and right down the middle, and that's it. So you get these perfect little pieces here, just like that. All right, so we're gonna put these in here, and what I'm doing now is I'm bringing the chicken stock back up to a boil, and as soon as that happens, let me finish. There's the last few. Alright, so that's what we got. That's what we're working with. We have the chicken and the biscuits. Or if you're not using biscuits, you would use biscuits or biscuit or whatever you use for your dumplings. But this is what I'm using. Anyway, I got the water, the chicken stock rather, coming up to a boil. Let's actually bring this because it's already there. So that's that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the chicken back into the chicken stock. Alright, normally I would probably use a spatula or something to scoop this in, but I'm going to use my hands. They're clean. I just washed them, so. Plus, I'm going to eat it anyway. That's it. A little bit more. There you go. So we're going to give this a quick little stir, mix it up, let it come back up to boil, and once it comes back up to boil, I'll pick back up right as I'm putting in the dumplings. So I'll pick back up in a bit. I got the chicken in and it's up to a boil, so we're just going to take these dumplings here, just drop them in. Careful not to get your finger in the water or in the chicken broth because it is hot. There were a total of I think it was eight biscuits, just to kind of give you an idea if you're wondering how many biscuits are going in. So depending on how much you're making also, you may not need all of them. So this is a pretty big pot, so I think I'm gonna need all of them. Let's get that in there. And that's it. I think that should be enough. There's just a little bit left, but well, you know what? Let's drop them in there. All right. All right, that's it. That's all of them. So we're gonna let this go for, oh man, I don't know. We'll check it back in about 15 minutes and see what they look like. 15-20 minutes. See what they look like. Smells amazing. So that's it there. I'll pick back up in a bit. Alright, you guys. I actually have had this going for probably about 40 minutes. 45 minutes on a low heat. And I wanted it to come out a little more creamy, so what I did is I added just a small can of cream of chicken soup. It's like a 10-ounce can, so just added that to that, let it stir it around a bit, and this is what we got. It looks yummy. Can't wait to try it. I'm gonna plate some of this up, so we'll give it a taste test in just a bit. Alright, here we go. Got a bowl right here. Well, you can't really see, but let's give it a try. Share dumpling. Get some chicken on that. Some chicken and some celery. Moonshine, that's for you. Thank you for the video idea. That is damn good. I'm going in for another bite. Excellent. First time making it, and it actually turned out really, really good. It's a cold day here, so this is perfect. Man. Well, that's it. That's my chicken dumplings. So, you guys give it a shot. Let me know what you think. Very, very good. Again, Moonshine, Sean, thank you for the idea, brother. Damn good. I'm going to plate up some more, and I'm going to get to eating, y'all. So, hope you guys have a great holiday, and until next time, I will see you guys. Take care.